God bless you everyone. Today we're working with the B14. I just got out of work and it's freezing today. You guys can see how all this water is actually frozen on the floor. Anyway, like I said, today we're working with the B14. And I used this car for a couple weeks while the Honda was down. And I started working with it and I did a couple things, not that many, but I actually adjusted GPS. And besides that, I messed a little bit with the APC and the car seems to be working better. But anyway, I still have a high idle a little bit and I'm trying to deal with that issue. And what we're gonna do today, we're gonna replace a vacuum hose that I find out that was messed up. And besides that, when I'm cruising on the car, maybe 65, 70, sometimes the car hesitates while you're cruising. And just to be safe, I'm gonna replace the fuel filter, and we're gonna do that right now. So here are the parts that I'm gonna be working with. So the first one that I'm gonna be working with is replacing the vacuum hose. And the one that I had that was messed up, it was the one that goes from the regulator all the way to the intake manifold. Plus the old owner, he actually did the boost gauge from that hose, and I don't like it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna replace the hose, and then I'm going to find another vacuum source for the boost gauge. So let's do that right now. So I got the new vacuum hose installed already. As now I'm gonna have to have the boost gauge disconnected, because where I planned to grab the source from, I will need a bigger T. But what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna replace the fuel filter, which is right here. You guys can see that has actually Phillips bolt, and it should be another one underneath. So just taking it out from here. Just like that, we should be able to actually lift it up and actually remove them. So let's go. So after struggling a little bit, I got the fuel filter on, and like I said, I have the new vacuum hose on. Couldn't connect the boost gauge, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a T another time and get it on. It's not a big deal. So anyways, let's prime the car and get it on. Just like that, the car started. So fuel filter is changed, new vacuum hose is changed. Need to get a T for this, and then after that we should get our boost gauge working. Which I can see it's not working at the moment, but I get that we're working. Also, I got a wideband gauge on. So that one is working, and besides that, I changed the settings. Changed the settings on the Apex C, and the car seems to be working a little better. I still have the high idle issue. I mean, at this moment the car is warming up, so it should get lower as soon as it gets warm up. But sometimes just like race and gets down, but we're getting there. I still have to do the rear brakes. Well, that's gonna be for another video. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. You guys got a B14 update. Besides that, we did some minor working on the car. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one. God bless you all.